Then the World Bank's private sector arm, the International Finance Corporation, might be looking to invest $200 to $300 million in India's healthcare sector per year. That's the word coming in from IFC's Health and Education Investment Officer, Chris McCahan. Here's an excerpt of his exclusive conversation with Nitya Balakrishnan.
There's tremendous potential, tremendous issues also. I mean, when you look at some of the challenges of India with a low number of beds per 10,000 people, lack of enough skilled medical professionals, low penetration of insurance, a lot of outpatient, out-of-pocket payments. So a lot of challenges, but because I think of these challenges, there have been a lot of innovation in the India healthcare space. So you see some of the lowest costs of healthcare provision here in India, scalable models just because of the sheer population numbers. There have been companies that have been able to reach very low price points because of the scale that they can provide. So we're actually looking at and have invested actually in a number of Indian health services companies, not just to support them, but also in the hopes that we can learn from those models and take them to other countries, other emerging markets.
What kind of investment are you looking to line up over the next couple of years? Do you have a target that you look at pumping into India towards the healthcare sector every year, maybe?
So we don't have a specific target. Our existing portfolio in India is roughly $450 million. We probably can deploy a couple $100 million to $200 to $300 million a year if we find the right opportunities. The key is finding like partners that have a similar philosophy to us, that have strong management teams that we can work with. We basically have three pillars to our strategy. One is to work with really scalable groups such as Apollo that can reach, provide access to a number of patients in a quality way and an affordability way. The other is around generic manufacturing of drugs and API manufacturing in the pharmaceutical space. And then we're becoming actually more active also in the med tech space. So that's an area we really like to get into more in India and elsewhere.